Hello and welcome. Have you got 5 minutes? If you do, I'll share 5 top tips with you on what your next company-wide information system should have. But let's get one thing out of the way. Paper's dead. Let's face it. You know, in today's digital world, we want an information system that connects employees, suppliers, customers. You know, everybody should be in some sort of ecosystem. And you might be scratching your head thinking, well, that's a tough topic, because I've got people that know how to use Excel. I've got people that are fine with SAP or whatever large company-wide system we're running at the moment. But on the other hand, you know, I don't want to implement something new. That's a tough thing to face. But on the one hand, you know, you'll be facing history and you'll be progressing towards the future, because there are modern systems that are user-friendly and that allow you to manage your work and your workforce effectively. So we said 5 things and 5 topics. Today, everything is online. Clearly, you want a system that is online, so you don't have to install anything. You won't want to install anything into your end user PCs, into your phones, whatever, because, you know, that brings along with it so much complexity. So forget installation. You want a system that runs on a cloud, either your cloud or a third-party cloud, and allows you to access it from anywhere. From your office in the Bahamas, holiday destination somewhere in the Swiss Alps, wherever, you'll be online and able to check out what your employees are doing, what your customers are doing, and how you're meeting those requirements and tickets that you have in your help desk. Bridging on from online, you want a system that's modular, because, you know, today you might be facing the question of, how am I going to approve those invoices? You know, these darn invoices just keep coming in and I have no idea if I ordered these goods or if I have the equivalent purchase orders issued in the system, if the directors approve them. Tomorrow, the situation might be different. Tomorrow, you might want a system that'll be good for, let's say, price proposals. You really want different employees to use different systems? And are you going to manage the interconnections between those systems effectively? No. You know, we can't really recommend that. We suggest a system that allows you to grow and will grow with your company. So on the face of it, a system that will allow you to use one functionality and then add another functionality and maybe another 10. A system that's fully scalable as well. That's important. So a system that handles 10 tickets a month just as well as 100,000 tickets a month. Keeping to that topic, you want a system that's configurable. That's number 3. A configurable system allows you to, as you grow, change and adapt the system to your needs. You want a system where you can define workflow, where you can define user roles, where you can define who does what and who has access to what. Because only a system that's configurable allows effective management of individual users, user roles, user authorities, and effectively allows a firm grasp on the process that you're trying to manage in the software. Let's not forget, a system that's connectable. That's highly important as well. It's number 4 on our list. In essence, there will always be some system somewhere that you just have to use. You know, it could be a system that you use because you're in some niche market, or you've used it ever since and you want to continue using it. Well, that's fine. But such a system should have the data from your company-wide information system and should exchange that data effectively. You want all the data in your company to be recorded once and accessed several times from several perspectives. But you absolutely want to avoid a situation where you'll have the same data retyped into one system, then into another system, and then into a third system, because managing all this data, that's just a nightmare. Choosing a software solution, as I said, can be a challenge. So we're looking at something that you invest in, but something where you'll be sort of calm and know that, you know, if the situation changes, you'll be allowed to alter your commitment. And so ideally, you're looking for a solution that's provided as a service, a software as a service, where you pay monthly, where you pay as you go, and you're free to choose what functionalities you use this month and what you use next month. And since you've been so attentive today, I have a bonus for you. Number 6, You want a system that has a mobile app, because on the face of it, these will soon be forgotten for these. Everybody's got their phone with them all the time. Carrying computer, all right. But the most important, and let's say daily routine topics that you undertake, such as approving invoices, approving purchase orders, checking out attendance and timesheets, you can do that on your phone just fine. Ideally, you want a software solution that has a native mobile app, which will allow you to do all these things seamlessly on the go. I guess that's all for today. Stay tuned, and we have something more in store for you.